Okay, e-learning for Thursday, you guys are going to be doing a narrative writing, and you're going to talk about your own experience with brain freeze. So the next couple slides, we're just going to walk through what I expect in your writing. Okay, so I want it 3 paragraphs. So you'll have your introduction, body, and conclusion paragraph, 6 to 10 sentences for all 3 paragraphs. I don't really care what font you use when you type this onto Google Docs. Just stick with either 11, 12, or 13 for the size. And double space if you guys remember how to do that. And then, yeah, either type it on Google Docs if that's not working, or if you can't use that, you can type it probably on Notability, send that into the assignment on Google Classroom. And if you still can't do that, then you can write it out on a sheet of paper and take a picture and screenshot and send that in to me on Google Classroom. Okay, so for each of your paragraphs, if you do this narrative writing diamond, I think it will help you develop your paragraphs a little bit better and make sure you have those 6 to 10 sentences. So for each paragraph, you're going to have an entertaining beginning. So for the very first paragraph, your introduction, you could do some random fact about brain freeze like they did in the article about how cats get brain freeze. And elaborate on, details, something that's important about brain freeze or about when you've had brain freeze for the second paragraph. And then lead up to the main event, build a little bit of suspense. And then your main event is just going to be obviously in the body paragraph about your experience with brain freeze. What the action was, how did you fix it, how did it get it to go away, and then just end it with just some other memory or feeling, really feeling with this one to end your paragraph. If you pay attention to your instructions that I posted on Google Classroom, I give you some questions that you can answer for each of the paragraphs to guide you a little bit more. Other than that, just watch your punctuation, capitalization, and spelling, because I'm going to look for each of those things pretty hardly when I do your greeting. And this will be it. So I will see you guys after spring break then.